Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi chicken in a cooker. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 1 kilogram of chicken, 2 large onions, and 3 tomatoes. Next, prepare your ginger garlic paste and a mix of essential spices. Marinating the chicken with yogurt and spices for at least 30 minutes will enhance its flavor significantly. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in your pressure cooker over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which is crucial for the curry's depth. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 2 minutes, allowing its aroma to fully develop before moving to the next step. It's time to bring everything together. Add the marinated chicken, chopped tomatoes, and your powdered spices to the cooker. Sauté this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil begins to separate from the masala. This indicates the flavors are well combined. Finally, add 1 cup of water, close the lid, and pressure cook for 2 whistles to ensure the chicken is tender. Once the cooker cools, release the pressure naturally before opening the lid. Give your delicious Desi chicken a gentle stir. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a burst of freshness. Serve hot with rice or naan for a truly satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic. Enjoy your homemade chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.